Welcome to our lesson about dimensions. I've got a part in my graphic area. Let's go to the drawing. Here I've placed the front view of this model. Let's go to the Annotate tab. In previous lessons of this course, we already learned how basic dimensioning works. If I select a line, I can create a linear dimension. If I select two lines at an angle to each other, I can create an angular dimension. Okay? In this lesson, we're going to learn how the baseline, ordinate, and chain dimensions work. Let's begin by creating a centerline bisector. We're going to activate the tool, select this line and this line, this one and this one, right-click and done. Let's select Baseline Set. And let's make some line selections here. This one, and select these two circles here. Right-click, Continue. Now we can place the dimensions in the desired location just with a left click. Right-click, Create. And we can reposition the dimensions if we need to. I can also change the origin by right-clicking and select Make Origin. And let's right-click again here and select Make Origin. I can also right-click and select Detach Member. Now this dimension is separate from the baseline set. I'm also able to delete members. Right-click, select Delete Member. We can add members as well with a right-click, select Add Member. I'm going to add two more members. Right-click and done. Now let's window select all of these dimensions and delete them. The next option we're going to use is the Ordinate Set. Let's select this line. Right-click, Continue. And let's place the dimension right here. Now let's select these bisector lines and a couple of the circles. Right-click, Create. Once again, we can adjust the positions of the dimensions. Right-click, select Add Member. Let's select this point. Right-click and done. And let's right-click and select Delete Member. Right-click, Make Origin. Let's delete these dimensions again. Window select, press Delete on your keyboard. Lastly, let's try the chain set. I'm going to use this line, this line, this line, and a couple of the circles. Right-click, Continue. Now we can place the dimensions. Right-click, Create. Once again, we can reposition dimensions. Right-click, select Add Member, and right-click, Done. Let's delete a member. This concludes our lesson about dimensions.